So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good and everything is working fine on your side. And I'm sure that you are ready to learn a new strategy. So today the name of the strategy which we are going to talk about is Millennium. I will be explaining that how this strategy works, what are the things you need to take care, how this can be applied manually, automatically. I will be explaining everything. And those traders, those who haven't reached to that specific level and the strategy is unlocked for them, so nothing to worry about that one. I will be explaining that how this can be applied manually, so without wasting without spending any money on that one, you will be able to use it. So just stay connected, stay tuned, and we will just wait hardly one more minute and then we will kick off today's session and we will be explaining everything. Comment section is already active, traders, so in case if you will be finding any difficulties, doubt, question, query, feel free to write me over there. Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then, so where we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates, just to help our traders in their trading concerns. So this is one of them. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe it, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, so you will be able to get in touch with us. So make sure before winding up this session, before completing this conversation, you should subscribe the channel so that we will be able to get in touch. And on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic. So different languages are available, so whichever you are comfortable with, or whichever is your native language, you can try to explore in the playlist section and then you can explore it as well. Okay, so I can see that a few traders have already joined. So traders, just a quick request to you, please confirm if my audio and video is clear, because I just want to make sure that everything is streamlined, everything is fixed, so that we can kick off this session. And if anything is required to be fixed, of course I will be taking care of that one. Let me just check in my device also if everything is working fine, but I will be looking forward for the confirmation from your end also. So just a quick moment. Perfect. I believe everything is working fine and we should not waste any more time. We should kick off the session. So again, welcome. So the strategy which we are going to talk about, let me introduce that one first, and after that we will be trying to talk about a few more important points also. The screen which is visible to you, this is the application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. There is a possibility that some of my traders, they might be using a mobile version, so interface can be different, but one thing I can assure you that everything is available in that. Okay, so to apply this strategy, very easy to use, very easy to apply. Go to the technical analysis button, go to the strategy part, start scrolling down, and here we go. Millennium. This is the strategy for the day. This can be used only for FT, which means fixed time trading. This is not applicable on forex mode. So the strategy, in front of the strategy is always mentioned that this can be used on which trading mode. So this is only for the fixed time trading traders. Once I'll click on the strategy, so a new screen will be there. How this strategy works, so it's like the Millennium is an interesting trend strategy that use the DPO, the trended price oscillator, along with the Heikenhash. In case in future if you want to revise it, if you miss something, skip something, this video will be helpful, or at the same time I will be saving this conversation which we are going to have today on the in the playlist side. So of course you will be able to explore it later on. Otherwise you can check it from right there. For now I am here to I will be explaining that. Once I click on the strategy enable, so you can see that all the required settings are already visible on the screen. So the chart type from Japanese, it moved to Heikenhash, and the DPO with the frequency of 10 is visible in front of us. Okay, so I can see that there are no much comments. So Vineet Mishaji, thank you so much for the confirmation. And traders, let's try to make this conversation a bit more interactive. So just let me know if you have used this strategy in the past. If yes, then what was your experience, whether you were able to make some profits or not. In case if you were making some losses also, make sure you must share that experience. The reason behind, because then I will be able to help you and I will be able to clear out your doubt. Dawud Khanji, I am so sorry, but today conversation is basically for the English speaker community. If you are comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, every Tuesday and Thursday on the same channel, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So if you are in some another time zone, you can calculate according to that. So you can join us on the same channel, because that is the time when we are conducting sessions in Hindi only. Okay, just give me a second. I'm so sorry for the disturbance. Okay. So how the strategy works, let's talk about that one. So all you just need to focus on these two things: Heikin-Ashi candles. As you are, you must be already aware that with the help of the color of the candle, Heikin-Ashis are going to tell us that what can be the direction of the market, which means to say green market up, red market down. Very easy to use, very easy to understand. Now let's talk about the second part, DPO, the trended price oscillator, how exactly it works. So in this one, if you focus, then there is a base level, or you can consider as a zero level, mid level. And if you observe, then every now and then these bars are appearing either in the upward direction or in the downward direction, right? So what you are supposed to wait for, once the market will change the direction and DPOs will start appearing on the upper side of the zero level, then you will be opening your position. So just a time frame for this one, minimum chart time frame is 1 minute, and the trade time frame will be 2 to 3 candles. Okay, so if anything is missed, like if you skip something, or if anything was not, like you were not able to grab it, nothing to worry. I will be trying to use this strategy in practice. I will be showcasing to that as well. So that will be, I believe that will be more easy for you to understand that what exactly I was talking about. So nothing to worry about that. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to do some live action. I will be taking some trades, but before starting the live action, a few required points which you need to be considered. First one is the financial market traders. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss, so you need to focus on that part. Please make sure you invest enough time, learn about the strategy, learn about the technicals, and after that you should start making some investment. Okay, second thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I have taken in the past, I will be taking in the future. During this session, everything is depending on my skill set, my experience. I will be the responsible one for that. And as we have one comment, is there copy trade? So sir, I'll suggest please avoid doing copy trading. The reason behind, even though this this conversation, this session is live, but still there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade which I will be opening right way in front of you, that will be visible to you after some time, after a few seconds. You can try to observe your chart, like your screen also, like your live platform, and then observe my screen which is visible on the YouTube. So you will be able to calculate that what is the exact difference. Okay, so as per that, I'll suggest please avoid doing copy trading, because that can lead to some negative results. Just learn about the strategy, so that will be more easy for you to trade further. Okay, so let's start. We will keep on shuffling our cards irrespective of the asset. It doesn't matter, like whether we are using it on OTC, currency pairs, composites, cryptos, doesn't matter. The set of rule is going to remain same. Okay, so irrespective of that, I will be just only considering the profitability. All the assets, those who are having 80 or more than 80% of profitability, I will be trading on that. Okay, so I have opened one trade in the beginning of the session. So it was this one is looking very nice. So let me show you. So almost here we go, and very nice. So $12 in our bucket. Very nice, very nice. So the first trade went positive. Let me show you a few more examples. Let me show you that how this strategy exactly works. Okay, so we will be keep on shuffling our cards, keep on shuffling our assets, and wherever we will be finding any opportunities, we will be taking it. And traders, in the meantime, you can keep on commenting your doubts. Make sure you do not spam the comment section, because of course there will be some other traders also, those who will be looking forward for some information. So respecting that one, I will be taking care of all comments. Nothing to worry about that one. So just drop your comment and I will be taking. In case if you feel that I have moved to the next comment, then you can just paste it again, but I'll try to cover everything. Okay, so let's keep on shuffling, keep on moving to different assets, and wherever we will be finding any signal, I will be. Okay, so there is a signal. We are quite late, but let's try this one. So what exactly we were supposed to wait for or look forward? Red candles, market down. At the same time, DPO changed the direction and started moving into the downward. If we would have opened this opportunity at the beginning of this candle, there could be a better situation. But let's see if we will be able to try to catch a running train or not, or whether we are going to hit with an accident. And traders, one more thing. For me, I have a compulsion. I have to show you that how this strategy works. So what I will be doing, I will be keep on exploring different assets, and I will be keep on opening the trades. But with you, there are no such compulsion, or like there are no such situations. So just take one trade, wait for the result. If the trade is positive, good to see. If you want to increase the amount, it's not required that you have to increase, but if you think you need to increase the amount, use your money management and increase accordingly. But if the trade is negative, I'll suggest you can reduce the amount and use your risk management. So once the trade is concluded, then take the next step. Okay, so let's see how's everything going on. No signals so far, no worries. Let me do one thing. Let me take a few comments so I can see that a few traders, they are waiting for my response. Okay, very good evening, Sahil ji. No sir, there is no copy trading. Kaptan Vision, hello, I used it but it doesn't give constant results. Manbir ji, just let me know like what exactly difficulty you faced, like whether you were not able to grab a hold on the strategy or what exactly. Archiv ji, very good very good morning. Okay, hello to everyone, good day here. I wish you the same. What is the update for the today's market, sir? Like today's there might be some data might be floating into the market, but last yesterday there was a CPI data and data was in favor, so there was a very big green candles. Okay, so hello everyone. Sir, new users come to Olymptrade and get 100% bonus. Is it true? Surajji, I'm not sure about like this is something like you are getting the bonus when you are making your first deposit, or sometime like you are being referred or something like that. So you can explore it, but it's not like that. If you are getting 100% bonus, then of course you will be able to withdraw it. There are some certain set of rules which you need to fulfill, and only then you will be able to do further. Okay, sir, please show currency pairs. Of course, Kaptanji, I will be exploring all the assets. So irrespective of the type of the asset, whether it's a currency pair or which type of the asset is it, we will be exploring all of them. Just give me a quick moment. Okay, so there is one comment from Surajji, back to back. Surajji, requesting you, please do not spam the comment. Sir, क्या OTC market manipulated होता है last second में loss? Sahil ji, there is nothing like that. Let me show you one thing. You might be able to observe. Okay, so our one trade was positive. Okay, see, you can observe. I have taken majority of trades on OTC. I have faced some negative also, but you can observe that I have traded on OTC also. So then there is nothing like that, like anything is manipulated. At the same time, if you think that anything is like which is not transparent at all, or like you want to cross verify, just go to this button, information, just go to the view quote history, and you will be able to check every single second quote whatever is available on the platform. And now see, if you think that if anything is manipulated, then there is a possibility that at one specific moment there is a trader who have opened the opportunity in the upward direction, and at the same time there might be a situation that with the doubled amount some another trader have executed the trade in the down, right? Now whosoever calculation or analysis is correct, their trade is going to be positive. Higher capital, smaller capital, these are not the things those who are going to evaluate or conclude the result of the trade, right? And what I was just trying to say, so of course if you think that if anything is manipulated, then you tell me whose trade should be in positive. Now some will be saying that who have invested the higher amount, but there is a possibility that the trader who invested in the upward direction, he was used to trade with $2 and suddenly he invested $40, $50, and at the same time there is a trader who was used to trade with $50 each, and suddenly he invested $500 in the opposite direction, then for both the traders the invested amount is higher for them, right? So everything is transparent, and at the same time you can open any device irrespective of the region. Any person just download the application in their mobile, or if it is already downloaded, just open both the assets in both the device, check the course, and you will be finding the exact same numbers. Okay, and one more thing, we are the member of the FinCom. We are also regulated by government of Vanuatu, so everything is streamlined, nothing is like there like anything like manipulated. Okay, let's try to grab a few more. And okay, there was a very nice signal but we have missed. Okay, so one trade was a negative. Let's observe that trade. So what can be done to make it better? Okay, so see, as I've already mentioned, if we would have opened the opportunity at the beginning of this candle or at the end of this candle, the signal was there at the beginning of this candle, so there could be a better opportunity, or there could be a better picture, and trade was supposed to be go positive, because first candle this one, second candle this one, third candle this one, so that was a clear cut win, but we missed. No worries. And traders understand one more thing, these strategies, these are just some mathematical calculation based technical tools. There are no such strategies which will be promising 100% accuracy, so you need to focus on that part as well. So I have opened another trade also. So you can observe DPO in the upward direction of 0. Let's see if this trade will go positive. Yeah, so make sure you learn the strategy, practice it on your demo account. Once you will be able to conclude it, let it is working for you, then I'll suggest you should take it to your live account. Okay, let me open a few more assets with high profitability irrespective. Okay, so let's see what assets we already have, and we have opened so many OTCs. Let's open some composites also. I think that should be enough. Then let's start from the beginning. Oh, I missed one. Okay, so no signals on this one also. Let's see, wherever we will be getting any opportunity. There was a signal, we missed it because the signal was on this candle, and the signal was quite good also, to be honest. But no worries. Rather than trying to catch a running train and we will be met with an accident, I'll suggest just stay calm, keep on shifting to different assets, and wherever we will be getting the confirmation or we will be sure that the signal is there, then we will be taking a trade. Let's try this one also. This signal quite old. Let me look forward for more. Nothing on Mahajantram. Let's check Bitcoin OTC. Okay, this one is looking good. On this one I want to increase my trade amount also, but I will be using a RFT. The reason behind, it's about to 7, so US market is about to be open, so we can expect some sudden volatility, and I just want to make sure that I will not be making any negative results or negative trades. So that is the reason. Very nice signal it was, that was. If we were on this asset on this candle, that was a very nice signal, because you can see that the market is moving in that specific direction. Okay, no worries. Still we have so many assets, and of course so many signals are going to be there, so we will not be taking any old or already expired signal. This one is looking good. Let's take one. So we have almost 4 trades in the pipeline, and very nice. One of them went positive, 2 are looking positive, and the third one is quite dicey. Let me have a look on that one, but this one we just started. This is a better opportunity. I think we should double or leave it like that. Let's wait for the result for these 3, and let me take a few more comments. Okay, so what are the new comments? Sir, new years. I haven't used this strategy. I'm a new user here in this platform. So, Big Adex, very warm welcome to the platform. I'm sure that you are going to enjoy here, and of course, you are going to make a lot of money. But before start making investment, make sure you invest some time also. Learn about technical tools, strategies, market, and how exactly it works, and then I'll suggest you should start making some deposits. Okay, so I'm so sorry, traders. I have skipped some comments. Let me just fix it. Okay, the bonus, how it works in the real trade. Okay, so sir, just for an example, if you have made a deposit of, like, as there is one trader, Suraj, he is stating that sometimes some traders are getting 100% bonus. So just for an example, if you have made a deposit of $100 and you have got $100 bonus, so you have a 50-50 ratio, like total capital is 200 and the ratio is 50% capital, real capital. And I'm so sorry, traders, for the this mishappening. So there was some glitch, and as a result that we just got disconnected. Just give me a quick moment. Let me just fix it right away, and we will be continuing the conversation. Perfect. I'm so sorry again. So I was just trying to fix it. I'm so sorry for that. I hope everything is streamlined now and you can see my screen. I'm so sorry, traders. Yeah, so what exactly we were talking about. So just suppose that you have total 200 capital, so 50% is the real capital, 50% is the bonus one. So that is how exactly it is going to work when you will be making some profits or losses. For an example, if you will be taking a trade for $10, okay, and if the trade will go positive, you will be getting with the profitability of 80%, you will be getting $8. So $4 will be added to your real funds, $4 will be added to your bonus. Okay, and at the same time, if the trade will go negative, then of course $5 will be deducted from your capital, real capital, and 5 will be deducted from your bonus. So that's how exactly it is going to work. And at the same time, you when you will be making a deposit with the help of the bonus system, then of course you will be getting one task that is regarding to the turnover. So when you will be completing that one, that the specific bonus which you have got in the beginning of the session, in the beginning of that task, that will be converted to the real funds. So you will be able to withdraw that. So that's how exactly it is going to work. Okay, so my payment was late, Olymptrade, and when I complained, they said sorry for this. We will gift you 5,000 XP, but not now. Neither 500 XP is coming nor reply. I'm so sorry, sir. Like, if you are facing such issues, but let me clear one thing, that 5,000 XP, that could be as a compensation or as a apology, but you will be getting your capital also for sure. So once it will be done, that will be reflected to your account. Okay, I haven't used this strategy, how the bonus system works. Okay, what new we have? Hello, is indicator कैसे समझाएं sir? Okay, Asif ji is asking that if you can explain the strategy again, but before that, let's have a look on this. Okay, very nice. So we made 4 trades before this internet issue happened. So we all those 4 trades were positive, so we made a nice profit. Let's try to look forward for a few more signals, and after that I will be coming back to the comment section. And traders, requesting you again, please do not spam the comment section, because sometimes it is very hard to find the new comment because so many comments are on the repetitive. Nice signal was there, but we have missed. Let's start from the backward. Okay, so there is a signal. DPO changed the direction, but I'm not sure about that one. But see, no worries. Let's try this one. Okay, on compound index, signal was there, but we missed it. It's quite old, so that doesn't make sense at all. On this one, we can expect there could be a signal on the next candle. Let's wait on this asset and then we will be switching to the next one, because hardly 6 seconds to go, so we can wait, I believe. So 2 1 0. Okay, let's see. Once the DPO will change the direction, that we will be considering as the confirmation that the market can move in that specific direction. Let's wait for that. Market is a bit dicey and it's about to 7, so we can expect some sudden volatility. No worries, we can even look forward for a quick break also, like we can take a 5-7 minute break from the trading. We can just observe the market if everything is working fine, or we need to make some changes. Like sometime the changes are not like that we are supposed to make some drastic change with the frequency of the strategy, or we need to change the strategy. Sometimes you just need to make a very small, very basic change. All you just need to change the trade time frame. Sometimes we are stating that this strategy can be applied for 2 to 3 candles. So 2 to 3 candles means if 2 minutes is not working fine, you can switch to the 3. Okay, so signal is there. Market can, no, market again change the direction, but no worries, we have executed the trade. Let's wait, and I might be doubling my position if this market will show some indication that the market can move into my favor. We missed this one also. Back to back green candles, they are indicating that market can start moving into the upward direction. And traders, you can observe one more thing, that whenever the market is moving in any specific direction or market is changing the direction, so you can observe the length of these bars also. So you can see when the market was moving upward, they were also increasing their size. Then the market started moving downward. So this is a common what we call a pattern which you can focus on, or you can observe. Like in this one, again market moved downward again, then there was movement. Okay, so these are the things which you can consider also while making a trade or while executing a trade. Now see, back to back green candles were there, but DPO was not changing the direction and we didn't execute the trade, because we are not going to trade on only one specific confirmation. We need to wait for both of them, because these are some technical oscillators, indicators, and we are combining them and using them all together just to make one specific strategy. Okay, so we have how many trades we have in the pipeline? 2 trades, but they are not looking good. No, they are not looking good. So this one went negative. Let me observe this one, what exactly happened. Okay, so we executed the trade. No worries, no worries, no worries. So I was expecting some volatility also. So let's do one thing. Let's take another trade. I have used RFT. Let me check Euro USD OTC also. Okay, so we have executed the trade in the upward direction, because at the same moment when we executed it, the market moved the direction. So no worries, no worries. We will look forward for a few more, and let's see on this trade. If the trade will go negative, we do not need to bother about, because we have used a RFT. Let me execute one more trade on here. So we have doubled up the trade amount also. Let's move back to the previous one. Okay, let me show you this signal also. So DPO changed the direction, moved upward side of the zero base level, and we found 2 back-to-back green candles. So these are the confirmations which we are looking forward. Okay, let me take a few more comments. Okay, so new beginner Asim, again welcome to you also. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, and of course you should invest some time and learn about the strategy. For sure, Prem Raji, we would love to help you with some basic tips. So the basic one, make sure you learn it from any source, like irrespective of YouTube, like any of your friend or your colleague or your relatives. Make sure you learn about the market, that how exactly it works. then start making investments. And if you do not have anyone who can support you or who can guide you, then of course we are here. So every Tuesday, Thursday in Hindi, Monday, Wednesday, Friday in English, and apart from that on different days in different languages, we are conducting sessions on this channel. So make sure you subscribe it, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to get in touch. Okay. Sir, how much money can I trade in one trade? Sir, the minimum is $1 and maximum I think 2,000 to 5,000. That is also going to be as per your level on the platform. But I suggest focus on the minimum one. Do not focus on the high one, please. Because everybody knows, like if a $1,000 trade will go positive, you will be making a huge profit. But what if that trade will go negative? Do you have the capability or capacity to bear that much big loss, right or not? If yes, then of course you can execute, but if not, then I'll suggest to avoid it. Okay, so 2 trades are in pipeline. This one is looking negative. Let's have a look on that one. So if we would have opened that opportunity at the beginning of this candle, better position, better result, but we have executed somewhere in the middle. So I was expecting some negative result, and that is the reason that I have used a RFD also on the same. Okay, so let's check a few more. This one is already in the pipeline. This one is looking good so far, but we can expect any sudden moment. There is no 100% accuracy, there is no 100% surety being provided by any technical, any strategy, anyone. So we need to focus on that as well. Okay, so this one, let's focus on this one. So early 4, 3, 2, 1, and very nice, very nice. So we made a very nice profit. We made $26.70, and so far how many we have lost? 15 plus 15, 30 so far here, and I think this one, this is also the one which we have lost during the session. Yeah, so almost 45 we have lost. And how many trades we have been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost 7 trades. So far everything is going fine. We have made a very nice profit, so things are going in our favor. Let's do one thing. Let's take at least a few more comments. Okay, so lost trade. Asim, which lost trade you are talking about? Can you just explain a bit more? And Prime Raji, requesting you also, please do not spam the comments. Okay, Asim, my name. Oh, Asim. Okay. Yeah, so Asim, the best which I can suggest you, make sure you invest enough time, whatever the technicals you learn, practice it on your demo account. Because see, understand one thing, after taking 10-15 trades, you are not able to you will not be able to conclude that whether that strategy is working for you or not. Open minimum to minimum 70 to 100 trades and then conclude. Because see, in first 20 trades you will only be struggling that whether you should execute it or not. You will not be able to even understand that how exactly these formations are happening. After that, for the next 20 trades, you will be able to grab a hold on that one, and then you will start slowly, gradually you will start making some trades. In the last 60 trades, you will be able to conclude that how exactly it worked, whether you will be you were able to grab that opportunity on time, whether you were too early, whether you were too late, and then you will be able to conclude it. And then you will be finding something like you will be having your own set of rule which will be explaining that if I have taken some trades on these conditions, then they went negative. At the same time, if I have executed specific that window or by following that specific set of rule, then I managed to book some different profits. Okay. Okay, and then in the last set of rule you will be finding that this is the situation when I am making all the profits, and then what all exactly you are supposed to look forward for that last situation throughout your trading session, that whenever you will be getting that opportunity you will be grabbing it, and that is the set of rule of your strategy. So once you will be applying that one, once you will be following that one, I'm sure that you will be able to make a better result. But that will be only possible when you are persistent, when you have patience, and when you are ready to invest some time, not money. Money is the secondary one, time is the primary one. Once you will be able to learn it, how to use it, how to make money, only then you will be able to make a capital. This is something which you need to feel. Sir, in your starting days, how you able to make your first 1000? Sahil, that was a very nice question. So let me give you information about that one. Like when I started my trading journey somewhere around almost 8 years ago. So the first 6 months I was a trader like who was always excited, or let me be more clear, I was very greedy while making trades. So if I was supposed to make a capital, then I was used to double it, or like I was using scalping, or I was keep on increasing my capital just to make sure that I am able to make more and more. So I was a trader who was not having any set of rule, any like money management or risk management or anything like that one. And after some time, what exactly was happening? So I was making some profit, then I was losing it. Again I was making some profit, I was losing it again. The reason behind was over trading. After some time, like then one of my mentor, he told me one thing, that see, understand Kunal, one thing, if you want to do it, if you want to trade properly, otherwise leave it. Then he asked me that I need to focus on money management and risk management first. Then after that, I should be focusing on technical strategies, market news, market updates, because making money is not that difficult, but holding it and controlling it and then trying to multiplying it, that is the main setup which you need to focus on. And then I started working on those things, and slowly and gradually, I will not be saying that in one single day I managed to book that much profit, but I have spent some time and then I have started making a better capital. So make sure you also invest some time. And again, back to the question, like the comment which you have asked, like how I managed to make my first 1000. So it took a lot of time. Like I am considering that 1000, I will be considering only that 1000 which I have managed to make, which I was able to hold. So that is the amount which I am going to focus on. I will not be focusing on that how many times I have made, because the money which I have hold or I have made a withdrawal, that is the amount which I will be considering, that yes, I managed to book a profit and I succeed to hold it. So it took a bit time, like almost 7.5 months, because prior to that, all the capitals whatever I was generating, I was just wiping it off. Every now and then I was just wiping it off while making it a bit more. I was just keep on wiping it off. Yeah. So let's go back to the comments. Okay, so I deposited 700 today and done 4.4k. Very nice, very nice. I am happy to see it. Now understand one thing, sir. If you have made a nice profit, make sure you reward yourself. It's like that you have done a job, then of course you deserve your salary. So you can make a withdrawal if you think that I might be making some over trading or I will be taking some trades to wipe it off. I want to tell you all these people are doing. Sir, I'm so sorry. Yeah. So, sir, just give me a bit more information that why exactly you think that it's a scam. Just share a few more insights, like what exactly you feel. Then I will be explaining that. I will be answering your doubts. I will be clearing your doubts. It's not like that I am working for this company. Then of course I will be saying everything good about the company, but I will be giving you the complete facts and figures. Then you will be able to understand. Risk management and I have monthly and weekly goal is important, no matter how much good strategies you have. 2000% agree with you, Alone Fiji. See, traders, understand this thing. Risk management and money management, your set of goal is the most important. There are some traders, those who are having good success rate, having good strategies, but they are not able to hold their capital and then they are wiping it off. But there are some traders Those who are still struggling with their technicals and strategies and everything, but still they are able to make a capital because they are consistent, and at the same time they know that how much profit they are going to make in a single day. Now if it is your account, if it is your capital, if it is your money, then that should be your choice also, that how much money you are going to lose in a day. So this is something you should be always ready with. I will be making that much, I will be losing that much, any one of them that is touched, I will be done for the day. So this is something which you should focus on. Sir, you always trade in 1 minute time frame with 3 minute expiry or 2 minute expiry. Sile, that is completely depending on strategy to strategy. Sometime I am trading for 2 minutes, sometime I am trading for 3 minutes, and like sometime we are also suggesting that this can be used for 2 to 3 candle. That is a reason that I am not always indicating that what should be the time. I am always talking about in the form of candles, because see, if I start explaining, or if I start exploring the candles for 10 minutes, and if I want to take a trade for 3 candles, then that trade will be for 30 minutes, and this session is hardly for 1 hour. So I will be able to execute hardly 2 to 3 trades, or max to max 4-5 trades, and I will be able to conclude or help you with the examples. That is the reason that I am always picking the most aggressive time frame as per the strategy. Now some traders will be stating that, sir, the most aggressive time frame is 5 seconds, but that is not as per the strategy. So we have opened one more opportunity. Let me double this opportunity. So $15 downward. Let's see how this trade will go. Okay, so this one market is moving in the upward direction. Let's take one big trade, but with the help of our RFD. Now traders, you might have observed that sometime I am changing my capital also, but that is also depending on 2 scenarios. First one, if the market is in favor, at the same time if I am quite dicey, then I am also focusing on if I have a RFD, risk free. Okay, so let's look forward for a few more. A very nice signal was there, but we missed it. We are quite late. Let's have a quick look. There was a very nice signal here also. We missed it. No problem, no problem. Okay, so we can wait a few more seconds, or rather than, because we are not having that much time to wait for the signal, so we will be keep on shuffling it. We will be keep on changing the assets. And traders, you might have observed, irrespective of the asset, whether it's a currency pair, whether it is a OTC, whether it is a composite, whether it is a commodity, I'm just checking the signal, profitability, and executing it. That's it. So sometimes we are thinking that that specific asset is not in favor, that is manipulated or something like that. I believe that you must be getting all the answers for that. Okay, so no signals on this one also. This signal we have already missed, and let's have a look how these trades are looking like. So far 4 trades are in pipeline, 2 are looking good, one is looking this one is not looking good, but it's quite near. But market is quite aggressive, market is quite volatile. Let's see if this trade will go positive. Whatever the losses we have made during this session, everything will be covered, or even though of course we have already covered that one because we have made some profits, but I am considering them apart. Okay, so let's take a few more comments. Sir, please put some more trades. Kaptan Vision ji, I am keep on checking the signals now and then I'm just keep on trying to grab it. I'm so sorry if I have missed some comments. I want to tell you. Okay, so sir, okay. Remove Millennium plus. Wasim ji, I'm not getting your question. Do you want me to remove this strategy? But just I deposited 100 T, gave me plus 600. Why? Sir, I'm not sure that I deposited. Sorry, if you got more, then I think that you should be happy for that. Chart don't run. Sir, like just refresh the screen. I think everything should work fine. Sir, please put some trade. I am keep on checking, sir. How to perfect way to apply this strategy? Ashish ji, it's very easy. Let me show you again. So if this strategy is available for you automatically, let me just have a look. So we executed 4 trades. Very nice. So we made back-to-back 4 profit, and there is one trade which we have taken for $100 and we made a $85 profit. So far you can see that. You can, let me show you. So the trades we have taken during this session. So these are the trades we have taken today. Let me see. We started, I think, from here. From Munch Index was the first one. Yeah, I believe this is the first one. So far we have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 trades. Out of 14 trades, 1 2 I think 4 3 1 2 3. Okay, so 14 trades we have taken. 1 trade 4 trades were a loss and 10 trades were positive. So I believe that it's a very nice success ratio we managed to grab, and at the same time we managed to book a very nice profit also. Let me take so I was talking about that how to apply this strategy. Just go to the technical tools, just look forward for Millennium in the search bar, or just scroll a bit. Here is the strategy. If you want to apply it manually, just go to the chart type first. From Japanese area or bars, just move to the Heiken Ashi. At the same time, you just need to apply the DPO, detrended price oscillator. So you can just go to the search, type DET or DE, it will be there, detrended price oscillator. Once you click on that one, the default frequency you will be getting 21, but we need the frequency of 10. Just click on that one, just change the frequency to 10. Click on back, these 3 dots, click on next, and your strategy will be ready to be used for free. So no need to buy this strategy. So traders, those who like today's strategy, you can share your comments, your doubts, concerns in the comment section. So whenever we will be coming next, of course you will be able to ask your questions there as well. But if you like today's conversation, if you like today's strategy and the way we try to explain it, if you liked it, you can share your ratings also. From 0 to 5 you can give your ratings to me. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. Even though if you are going to give me 0, there are no hard feelings, no grudges, everything is accepted. Because see, let me be honest with one thing, I am sparing my time, you are also sparing your time. So respecting that one, I will be explaining in a bit more better way, or the things which can be improved. Of course I will be taking care of that. So if anything is there, anything you want to share, make sure you share it in the comment section. And I am still live at least for next 1 or 2 minutes, so I am just waiting for your feedback. Make sure you give share your rating 0 to 5. 0 is the worst, 5 is the best one. I'm just looking forward for that. And let me take a few last comments. Okay, thanks Ashish. I hope I have already cleared your doubt. And dear, which all time you come for the live session? So Jahan, I am used to we are used to conduct sessions in English on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, so every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 Indian Standard Time, we are coming live. If you are comfortable with Hindi, Urdu also, Tuesday, Thursday, 4 to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And apart from that, on the same channel, we are conducting sessions in total 8 different languages. So like Arabic, Thai, Portuguese, Indonesian. So these are the languages which we are also catering. So you can explore the playlist also, and you can also try to observe the timings as per that. Okay. Kaptan ji sir, I want 2 out of 2 using this strategy. Very nice Kaptan ji, but I request you, make sure you apply this strategy on your demo account also. Just practice a bit more, because sometime I'm not saying that you didn't understood the strategy. I'm sure that you understood the strategy, but sometime there might be some more set of rules which you might be able to come up with when you will be using it on your own. So spend a bit more time and then start making investment. And if 2 trades were positive, that is not going to sure that 3rd will go positive or 4th will go positive. The reason behind, I'm not just trying to scare you, but what I'm just trying to tell you, that make sure you use your capital in that way. If any of them trade will go negative, that is not going to impact your P&L. And thank you so much for your rating also. Traders, if anyone else want to give some rating, that would be much appreciated. So 0 to 5, 0 is the worst, 5 is the best. I'm just waiting for that one, and I hope all of the comments I was able to complete, I was able to cover, and I have covered all your doubts. But in case if I have skipped something, please let me know in the next upcoming session. I will be explaining everything, all your doubts, concerns, everything. We will be taking care of that one. And again, before winding up today's conversation, just requesting you, make sure you subscribe our channel, be part of the family, share some support, so whenever we will be coming live again, we will be able to get in touch with you. So finally, this was your host, your financial expert, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much for for being such a lovely audience, for being for such an interactive session. Thank you so much again. Keep learning, keep earning, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers.